Since 5th August 2019, when India's Bharatiya Janata Party government imposed the president rule in occupied Kashmir, Indian troops have martyred 933 Kashmiris, including 17 women and 31 young boys. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, the 5-year president rule between October 2019 to October 2024 was marked by the extreme human rights violations, resulting in 933 Kashmiri casualties, including 17 women and 31 young boys. This period saw a significant surge in the killings, extrajudicial executions, arbitrary arrests, torture and destruction of the property, with 240 individuals dying in the fake encounters or the police custody. Kashmiri people are sounding the alarm over the plot by India's Modi regime to eradicate their unique identity and transform the Muslim majority population of occupied Kashmir into a minority. The Hindutva leaders have declared their intention to obliterate the Kashmir's distinct cultural heritage and resurrect a pre-Islamic Hindu civilization in the territory. President rule has been revoked after nearly 6 years in occupied Kashmir after the humiliating defeat to the India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party in the recently held elections. This development comes after the National Conference Congress Alliance emerged victorious in occupied Kashmir assembly elections. The Gujars and the Bakarwals have demanded a halt to the oath-taking ceremony of the 9 MLAs elected from the scheduled tribe reserve seats. The Gujars and the Bakarwals claimed the Election Commission of India erred in allowing the Pahari-speaking tribe members to contest elections on these seats, which were reserved for the ST individuals declared in 1991 based on the 2011 census. Congress leader P. Chidambaram has emphasized the new occupied Kashmir setup's first task should be to demand the restoration of the statehood with support from the All India bloc parties. He made this statement following the National Conference Congress Alliance victory in the recent occupied Kashmir assembly election.